Thank you. So my understanding of defunding the police is by reallocating funding sources from within the police department into other areas. And, some of those areas may be, cultural competency training for members of the police department, social service programs, treatment centers, education, and recreation programs, like, for example, the old PAL, which was Police Athletic League. I don't think that people mean defunding, which would not necessarily mean to abolish. The point is, I think what we need to do is let's knock down those rotten trees of policing and plant new seeds for fresh roots. And I think the way that we do that, and I've been talking about this for years, and no one ever seems to listen, but we really need to give a preference to people from Providence. If you look hard enough, there are enough people of color. This is a minority majority city, for example, if we're going to talk about Providence. And that budget is close to $90 million. I think we should be giving a preference to people from Providence because guess what? I know I wouldn't mind having a police officer living near me. I don't think anybody else would mind that. People in public safety, people that work for the city of Providence or the state of Rhode Island. And I think one of the biggest disservices that was ever made was the abrogation of the residency rule. I think we need to reestablish that going forward and making sure that each and every person that's hired in the public safety section of Providence lives in the city of Providence, in our neighborhoods, where we can interact with them and we start to build strong relationships. So that's what I think we should be doing with that.